This is IoT-enabled smart farm using LoRaWAN. The project members are Velmurugan KS, Mudulur Dilip, Mohan Raj, with our internal guide help Mr. Rajesh Khanna, M.Tech Assistant Professor. The objective of the project is to make this innovative technology, which is LoRaWAN, combined with agriculture in order to monitor the farm and help farmers in increasing their crop cultivation. The problem statement which has to be solved is, in order to overcome future food scarcity due to overpopulation across the globe, we can monitor farm field using low cost and low power consuming device to automate irrigation system for effective usage of water resources. Weather forecast using IoT can help to plan farm field activities like sowing, harrowing and harvesting, etc. Abstract. According to UN Food and Agriculture Organization, 70% more food is needed to feed the additional 2.3 billion people across the globe by 2050. To make this happen, it is required to adapt the emerging technologies into the agriculture sector. IoT can be implemented in some use cases in the agriculture sectors like real-time monitoring of farm, weather prediction modeling, custom fertilization profiles based on soil chemistry, water conservation using IoT. Using IoT, the farmers can deploy different types of sensors like environment and soil sensors, and they can make use of insights from sensed data. The already existing systems are monitoring temperature for grape farming and smart mushroom farming. The proposed system, which is developed by us, or our vision is to provide solution for the problem faced by the farmers in the agriculture fields. We cover the problems like soil irrigation, soil nutrient enhancement and organic farm practices. The advantages of the proposed systems are long range, max lifetime, multi-usage and low cost. The architecture of the project consists of the sensor which passes the sense into the concentrator gateway and which is stored in the network server and viewed by the application server. These are the equipments used are soil moisture sensor, LoRa transceiver, rain intimation sensor, Arduino UNO and soil nutrient sensor. This is our project. This is sender and this is receiver. We are going to connect the receiver to the any device like laptop or mobile phones. Here we are connecting it to the laptop. We have an application called Arduino. You have to open the application. After it is getting on, we are going to connect the sender to the power bank because it consumes only less amount of energy. The sender consists of soil moisture sensor and rain intimidation sensor, and now we are connecting this sender to the power bank, and we are keeping the moisture sensor into the dry soil. Now it's showing the soil is dry and it is ideal for growing tomatoes and pumpkins, and irrigation can be turned on right now. Now we are keeping the moisture sensor into the soggy soil. With some moisture content. Now it's showing that it is moist soil which is ideal for growing spinach and carrot. And again we are taking the soil moisture sensor and keeping it to the very soggy soil. Now it's indicating the soggy soil and it is ideal for growing paddy and corn. Now we are coming to the rain intimidation sensor. Here it is showing that it's not raining. Now we are going to spray some water into the rain intimidation sensor. Now it's coming like rain warning.